So I want to give you an experiential exercise here. This one is 5-finger breathing, and this is a self-care exercise that you can do to help take you out of a very busy state and start bringing you down into the here and now. So I'm going to stop my share and we're going to practice this together. Today's a very experiential day. Yesterday was full of learning. Today is full of experience. So I want you to, first of all, put your feet on the ground if you are somewhere where there is ground around you. I want you to feel your hips. If you're sitting, feel your hips on the surface that you're sitting on. If you're standing, I want you to really feel your legs. If you're lying down, I want you to really feel where you are in contact with the surface that you are lying down on. You're going to take your hand and you're going to take one finger of your other hand. Now I'm going to walk you through this and then we're going to do it together. So you start at the base of your thumb, and as you breathe in, you trace your thumb. And as you breathe out, you crest over the top, and breathe out, trace down the other side. Breathe in, trace up your index finger over the top, breathe out. Breathe in, up your middle finger, over the top, breathe out. Breathe in, up over your ring finger, breathe out. Breathe in and out. That's 5-finger breathing, okay? So we're gonna do 3 rounds of it all together. So I want you to just come down, feel yourself sitting, feel yourself in the moment. And I want you to breathe through your nose if possible. If your nose is blocked up, then breathe through your mouth, but otherwise through your nose as much as possible. Starting at the base of your, actually, before we start, I want you just to take a note of what you're feeling right now and come up with a word that describes what you're feeling right now. What does your body feel like? What does your mind feel like? Just taking stock of you in the here and now. Okay, now take your index finger, put it at the base of your thumb. Breathe in, trace your thumb up to the top. Breathe out, go down the other side. Breathe in, lifting, tracing your index finger over the top. Breathe out. Breathe in, lifting up your middle finger over the top, and breathe out. Breathe in, up your ring finger. Breathe out, down the other side. Breathe in, up your pinky, over the top, and down the other side. And again, starting at your thumb, breathing in, tracing around, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, starting at your thumb, breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Last one. Breathing in and out. Good. Now just take a moment. Just feel your body. Feel your mind. How do you feel now.